Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you another exclusive unboxing. It's so exclusive, we haven't seen it yet.
That's it.
So PerthBit is releasing the 1/10 Koala. So it's the 2023 design. Everybody says, what's different about that? These are new sizes. They've never produced them before in these sizes. They're a 1/10 gold Koala and a 1/10 platinum Koala. So fantastic from a fractional side, fantastic to see. Normally the Koala in gold is only produced in more the numismatic sizes, or the numismatic range I should say. So, you know, the proofs, the high reliefs, those type of things. This is one of the first times they've produced a 1/10 gold Koala in and of itself. So the 1/10 being one of the more popular sizes in Australia. They're very limited production. There's only 25,000 of them. And when I say the vast majority, I mean almost every single one of them was sent straight overseas. So there's a very small allocation for Australia.
Is that both the gold and the platinum?
It's both gold and platinum. So the gold is limited to 25,000. The platinum, and it's really good to see Perth Mint producing a fractional platinum coin. Platinum not being the easiest product to work with. So I don't believe, correct me if I'm wrong, Rubes, they have done the 1/10 Kookaburra before, haven't they?
Yes.
In platinum. So this is only, that I can think of off the top of my head, only the second type of platinum in the fractional that they've done. And it's like I said, it's a great design. I love the 23 Koala design, and it's produced on platinum. So very limited number, down to 15,000 on those ones. So again, vast majority of them going overseas, very small selection within the country. So if you are after a little bit of platinum, after a little bit of gold, or you're after something just that little bit different, it's a really good one to grab, but they definitely won't last very long. So grab them while you can. Ruben hopefully has been showing you all sorts of footage of them as we've been going, talking through, but yeah, they haven't arrived yet. So they should be here. I'm anticipating them being here by the end of this week. So you shouldn't have to wait too long before they're in your hot little hand.
We'll make sure links are down below for pre-orders for those. And yeah, we'll look forward to, I think we'll do another little quick video highlighting once we actually have them in our hot little hands.
Yeah, because it's one thing to see them, the artist's design, and then it's another one to actually hold it in your hand. And it can go both ways. Sometimes we like the artistic design better than we like the real. And quite often though, it's actually the other way around once you get them in your hand and you're actually looking at the character flaws in them. So yeah, stand by for that. It'll only be a short video later on in the week, but yeah, grab them again while you can, while stocks last.